Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an email alias in HubSpot. This is a useful feature that allows you to send emails from multiple addresses while keeping everything organized in one place, which is perfect for managing different roles or departments within your business. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where you have the necessary permissions to modify email settings, as this will ensure you can access all the configuration options we need. After you've signed in, hover your cursor over the top right side of your screen. You'll see the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on this icon to access your account settings. This is your hub for customizing how HubSpot works for you and your team. Once you click the settings icon, you'll be directed to the General tab. This is exactly where we need to be to start the process of adding your email alias. The General Settings area houses many of the core configuration options for your account. From the top of the menu, you'll see an email option. Go ahead and click on it. This section is dedicated to all your email-related settings and is where you'll modify your email alias configuration. It's important to navigate here because this is where HubSpot allows you to manage multiple sending addresses. Now, scroll down through the email settings until you locate the email alias option. This feature is what enables you to add additional email addresses that you can use when sending emails through HubSpot. When you find it, you'll be prompted to add the email alias you want to use. Type in the email address you'd like to set up as your alias. This could be a department email, a role-specific address, or any other email you need to send from within HubSpot. After you've entered your email alias, click the Save button to confirm your changes. This finalizes the setup and makes the alias available for use in your email communications. And that's it. You've successfully set up an email alias in HubSpot, giving you more flexibility in how you manage your outbound communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.